Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Next topic here we are going to say is for loop. First of all, what is for loop? For loop is used for iterating over a sequence. Either we can use list, tuple, dictionary, set or a string, whatever the operator it is used for iterating over a sequence. For loop is nothing but used for iterating over a sequence. So we can use any type of data type here, like a list or tuple or dictionary set or string. Whatever the data type it will support for loop. So we will see some of the functions which is in for loop. First, what is the syntax for that? Syntax is first we need to give for then we have to create a variable, that is here I am creating I. Then we have to give int, that is whether I the new variables present in an existing variable. Existing variable. This is what the syntax for loop. So here I am writing on basic. It will give some idea how it is working. So just I'm creating one list here. Apple, banana, comma mango. So here we are having three values inside the variable A. So for the hello I'm using for I in A. So A is the existing variable here and I is a new variable here. Just I'm checking whether the values inside the A is present in the I variable or not. If not, it will automatically store that values into I. So just I'm printing I here. So it will display the value as apple, banana, mango. How it is working? First, it will take the first value, which is apple. So it will iterate over a sequence. That sequence is nothing but it will get one by one value from the variable. So first it will get apple. So it will print apple. And the next it will get a banana and it will print that. And in the third part it will get mango and it will print that in a new sentence, because once the apple was completed, it will loop into the another loop. So the next part will run in the next line. This is what the basic program for loop. This is for list. Just I'm using some string in here, like directly I'm giving for I in apple. So I'm just print I. So how it will work? In list, they will pick up the whole value. Like apple is a 0th position, banana is in first position, and mango is in second position. But in string, how it will work? It will get each character. Like in the 0th position, A is present. First position, P is present, and the second position, P is present. And in the third position, we are having L, and in the fourth position, we are having E. So it will print APPLE in this format. The reason is in the list they will get the whole value as a value, but in the string it will get a set of characters. Like each and individual character will get one position, but in the list the whole character will get one position. This is what the difference between string and the list. So we have seen some very basic example for. And the next thing is we will use break statement here. How the break statement is working in for loop. In the last class, we have discussed the break will terminate the whole process and it will stop the iteration like that. How it is working in for loop. I'm having the same example. Apple, banana, and mango here. So I'm using the for loop for I in A. Just I'm printing the values. Okay, if here I'm giving one condition, like if I is equal to banana, then you can break the part. This is what I'm giving. So first it will take the apple. If I for I in A, yeah, it is true. Then it will print apple here. Then it will check apple equal to banana. No, the case is false. So it will not go to the if loop. Again, it will take banana. If banana present in A, yeah, yes, banana is present in A. So it will print the banana. After that, it will check banana is equal to banana. Yes, it is true. It will break the whole part. If I'm running this, we will get apple and banana here. If I'm giving mango means it will check for mango. If mango equal to mango means it will break the statement. This is what the break statement is working. If I'm giving apple means it will break the statement in the beginning itself because I'm just printing that. After that, it will say apple is equal to apple. It will terminate the whole process. This is what the break statement is doing. In the while loop, we have seen some example with numbers, that is numerical operations. But in the for loop, we are using different data types to get better idea. So I'm taking another one example for the same break. Yeah, here I'm giving for I in A. After that, I'm just giving if I is equal to banana. Then I'm giving break. After this, just I'm printing the values. That is print I. Now it will check for apple. The apple is entered into a loop. It will check if apple is equal to banana. No, so it will not go into the if statement. It will print the apple value. In the next thing, I am giving banana. The banana is entering into a loop and it will say banana is equal to banana. Yes, it is equal. So it will break the continuous process. So while running this code, we will get only apple because I just give the print statement after the break statement. So if the condition is getting through, that is banana is equal to banana, it will terminate the process. Then the print statement won't work here. Here I gave the print statement inside the for loop itself. So it is printing the values. Here I'm giving the print statement after the break statement. So once the break statement is executed in the program, it will stop the whole iteration and it will not execute the print statement. So this is what the basic example for break statement using list. Here you can use any of the data types like tuple, list, dictionary, etc. So we'll see another one example using continue. Yeah, in the previous topic we have discussed this. Continue will stop the current iteration and it will execute the remaining things. Just I'm having the same list. I'm writing the code for I in A. So here I'm giving if I is equal to banana, then it will continue the process. Just I'm giving print I. So how it will work here? Here I'm taking the list which is apple, banana and mango. First it will take apple. So apple will get entered into a loop. It will check whether apple is equal to banana. No, then it will print apple. The next thing is it will check banana is equal to banana. Yes, the condition is true. So it will skip the banana value. That is the current operation will get terminated. And the next thing is it will check for mango again. Here mango is equal to banana. No, then it will print mango. If I'm running this code, you will get apple and mango. This is what here from this example, you can get the better idea how the continuous and break statements are working. Continuous statements will terminate the current statement and it will execute the remaining things. But break statement terminate the whole process. This is what the basic examples of continue and break. Yeah, we are having one separate topic in range. In for loop, that is range. How to use the range? Range is used only for numerical values. For example, we can give from this to this. Here I am giving for I in range. This is what the syntax for using range. I am giving just a 6. So I am printing I. So actually it starts from 0. If I am printing this value means it will print 0 to 5. The range is only for numerical values and it won't support any other data types. So here I am just printing a range of 6. So the iteration starts from 0 and ends in 5. This is what the basic of range. Here I am writing another one example by using two range for I in range 2, 6. So just I am printing print I. So how it will work? It starts from 2, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. It will stop in the sixth value. So we will get 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. So while running this code, we will get 2, 3, 4 and 5 because it will stop in the end position. This is a start position and this is a end position. We are starting from 2 and we are ending in 6. So sixth position it will get stopped. So it will print the value before the 6. So it will display 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll see another example for I in range of, here I am giving 3, 8. So just I am printing I. How it will work? It will start from 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is what the output we will get for this. Commenting this and all. Running this code, we will get 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Because it stops in the 8th position. And the another one part is jumping one for I in a range of 2, 30, 3. So just I am printing I. How it will work? Here we are giving 3 values. So we should know how it works. The first step is commanding this. How it works means the start position is 3 and the stop position is 30. What is this 3? Actually, it starts from 2 and stops in 30. And what is this 3 means? It will add the value which is at the last. Like first it will add 2 plus 3. I'm running this code. Yeah, the starting position is 2. So it will print 2. And it will add 2 plus 3. So the output will be 5. And I will add 5 plus 3. Then next thing is 8. And 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Like this way it will go till 30th value. So if 29 plus 3 is a 32, so it will stop in the 29 itself because I gave the range as 30. If I am giving 33 means it will execute the another one condition which is 32. So first is the start position, 33 is the end position and 3 is the adding position. This is what the another example for loop. So I am just recalling all of this. For loop is another one type of looping concept and it is used to iterate over a sequence of values. It will support any of the data type which is list, tuple, dictionary, set or a string. First we have some basic program how to write a for by using string and by using list. And we see some examples by using break and continue statement. Break statement will terminate the whole process and the continue statement will terminate the current process and execute the remaining things. And what is range? Range is only for numerical values. Whatever the values we are giving, it will work on that. So here we have seen a range with a single value, range with start and stop position, range with start, stop and adding position. This is what the basics of for loop.